Okay, so if you're planning on doing a back-to-back as of right now with the COVID testing, you're going to get a letter 2 nights before your last day, a letter and a ticket. And the letter is going to tell you that you have to pack up all of your stuff, whether you're moving rooms or not, because you have to go take the COVID test again when you reach port. And then if you're staying in the same stateroom like we are attempting to do, you're going to keep your luggage in your room. If not, you're going to roll it outside, and you have to leave your room by 8 in the morning, and then testing for us is going to begin between 8:45 and 10, and then we're supposed to be able to board if we're cleared by 11, and then the regular guests will start becoming between 11:30 and 12. So, and then they're going to take this ticket when you go back on. This is your back-to-back ticket, and you're going to hand this to them. There's also something about the safe passage, like the health questionnaire. We're just confused about this because we don't have internet right now. So we're going to have to wait till we get back into port to that part. Other than that, when we get off, we'll walk across the street, I believe, to the testing tent, and then take it from there. And we're going to try to show you guys the whole process of how to do it. Process of what happens on a back-to-back. Yes, and hopefully it will change soon. Yes. And the reason we had booked the same room for the back-to-back was so that we wouldn't have to move our luggage. But with the testing anyways, we got to pack it up anyway, so either way you got to pack. Made us very sad tonight. Good morning, everybody. We are back at Port Canaveral. Alright, we're getting ready for our breakfast this morning at Marceline Market. Alright, we've got our breakfast here this morning. It's my breakfast. Kimi and DJ's, and we're sitting on one of the little bar stools here in Marceline Market. Okay, so here's a look from up above. This is the parking deck. There's Port Canaveral right here, and those tents are the testing center. Alright, now we are heading out.
So much for sailing with us. Oh boy, have we had a great time. So, from me and the gang and the whole crew, so long, and we hope to see ya real soon.
Alright, here's all the different types of luggage tags you can get just based on where your room is. Our room was Donald Duck. Okay, so we're just about ready to get off, and they've got it so that it wraps around so that nobody's like huddled and making big lines in the lobby. So it's just gonna wrap around out to the exit. So just keep walking around through the bayou and down and then out to the left.
I have your attention, please. This announcement is to inform you that the Disney Wish is now cleared by local Customs and Border Protection for those guests with luggage tag colors and characters that are yellow with Chip and Dale, white with Ariel, and blue.
Okay, we just went through and tapped our key cards to get off the ship, and now we're heading down into like the luggage custom area. I'll film what I can, but I can't show everything like through the security and like some of that, so, but I'll film what I can. Okay, so we just came out of the security area and customs and everything, and now we're back out till about the parking area, and we're gonna head to the white tents next to get tested again, since testing is still required for the Disney Cruise Line. It's foggy, but we're walking across the street. Foggy again. Well, I'm trying here to show y'all It just keeps fogging. Okay. Yeah, just come across to the tent. And I guess we were debating whether or not to bring some stuff back to our car because we parked it, and I guess you technically could because we could have went right up. And I thought we could, but we left it all in the room, so. Alright, then we're gonna go over here. It opens at 8 and we're gonna test again and walk up. Then it says walk up testing. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, now we're just walking up to the walk up testing area. Okay, everybody, we just got our email saying we were cleared to sail. Now we're trying to figure out where we go next, but I couldn't film anything inside the tent. Okay guys, so we got off the ship at about 7:30, did our testing, and it took about 15-20 minutes for us to get our email with the results, and it's going on 8:30 now. So the whole process of getting on and getting ready to get back on took about an hour since the time we were walking off the ship. And now we're gonna try to check back in and get to the terminal for our back-to-back. I hope this video helps you guys in learning the process of what to do. All right, they said we're really early, so we have to wait a little bit, but yeah, we're all ready to go, just to go back through security again and back through the normal check-in process like you would for any other cruise. All right, so we are just waiting here under the escalator because we were very, very early. We got cleared very early for our back-to-back, but I just wanted to let you know if you do need to take anything off the ship and bring it to your car if you're parked over there, I would say you definitely have some time to do so. We had debated on whether or not to bring a couple things off the ship now, so we don't have to carry it off next time. But we left it in the room. But if you need to take anything, yeah, I think it's good to go. You could probably walk right over. All right. Kari's waiting to reboard. We from the first cruise since I didn't have internet. Yes, we're just updating phones, checking emails, text messages, checking Facebook because we've been unplugged for the last couple of days. Yes. DJ, are you excited to go on another one?
Yes.
Yes. All right. We are just waiting. We've been waiting over here for the back-to-back, and they just told us that we can start getting ready to get back in the terminal, and it is 9:50. Make sure you have your reservation paper and that orange card that's going to get you back on the ship. It's going on 10 o'clock, and we're just going to be waiting to get back on board. There's an area for the back-to-back guests for the waiting area. And we're just waiting over here. Alright, so it's a little after 11 o'clock. They just checked our orange ticket to get on. Weaving our way around. There's a lot of back-to-back cruisers for this new ship. We thought we were smart when we thought of this idea. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
And there's only a few families in front of us to get on the Disney Wish for our back-to-back. Oh, look at, they haven't even opened the doors yet and we're already in there.
Guys, can I have your orange card, please? You guys be back to back. All set, you guys?
Yeah, thank you. How excited are you? Hello.
Thanks for having us, Friday. This is the last scan of the day.
Thank you. We're going on another one. And just like that, we're getting ready to board again. Yay! Bye. Thank you. And the vacation just gets better. Okay, so when we're entering the ship now, For the back-to-back cruisers, they do not announce you. They just have 2 people standing there welcoming you back, but they don't say your name on the microphone or anything. And there's nobody out with the wishing wands right now, and there's no characters up yet because it's still too early. But we're back home. We're back home. Yay! Ready to go. Alright guys, so that's how you do a back-to-back. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Right here on this ship. What? We'll see you next time on this ship. Again.
See you next time for our 3-night adventure.